Many people in Saudi Arabia still don't know how to register in the SPL app and create their national address, but it's very simple, and I'll show you how to create it step by step. The SPL app, Saudi Post Logistics, is an official government app that helps you manage your mail, track deliveries, and create your national address, which is required for banks, SIM registration, and government services. So let's get started.
Firstly, go to Google Store or App Store to download the app. Once you download, open the app. And now tap on register. Tap on register new account. Switch language to English. After that, click on individual. Now tap on continue. Enter your gamma number and your date of birth and tap continue. Now create an individual account e-service like phone number, Gmail address, create username and password. Once you're done, agree the terms and conditions and click on sign in. You will receive verification code. Once you receive it, start tapping it. Once you're done, tap on continue. The next thing to do is to create national address. Tap on register now. The app will automatically detect your address. Now confirm your address. Make sure your address is correct. Now add your building details like accommodation type, property type, period of stay, and upload the building image. You can also add information about your building. Once you done, tap next. Now check all your information. Once you done, agree the terms and conditions and tap on continue. You will receive OTP. Once you receive it, start tapping it. Once you done, tap on confirm. Now your national address has created successfully. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and follow for more Saudi updates.